In this video, I'll show you how you can change the owner of a Google document. So what I've done is I've gone to Google Drive and I've found my document. Alternatively, you could just go to Google Document and you should be able to find your documents here. So here is the document I'm going to change the owner for. You can then go to Share in the top right hand corner and click on it. You then need to go ahead and add the person as an editor who you want to give access and give ownership of the document. So type in their email here. Now, once you've done that, make sure you click on them and then you can give them editor permissions and then click on send. This will then send them an email asking them if they want to become an editor of this document. But hold on, because we're not done yet. Now, this is what the email will look like that they will receive. They will see the invite to edit. They'll then be able to click on open. Once they've clicked on open, you can then go to Share in the top right hand corner and you should then see them as an editor. You can then click on the drop down menu and then click Transfer Ownership and then Send Invitation. They will then need to accept it. So again, they will receive a new email. This email will ask them to accept ownership. They can then click Accept. Now, once they've done that, if you go to Share again, you can see the owner has changed, and this owner will now be able to remove you by clicking on the downwards arrow and then clicking Remove Access.